sell pet food here? I just got a 2-inch chameleon from the pet store, and they said that I needed like certain type. It's not like snake food, but like reptile food. They told me to. They told me to actually. They told me to actually.
We all had to do this females, you know, we're so nosy.
She's like, what's in the basket?
What's up, all you wonderful people? Welcome back to How to Prank It Up. Today I'm with my friends, Jason the Great 777.
Hello everybody, my name is Jason the Great 777. If you like simple magic tricks, I teach these really simple tricks right at home with stuff that you have right around your house. So check my channel out, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.
And we have Jason's pet chameleon. It's the cutest little 2-inch chameleon I've ever seen. And we're gonna go show everybody our little chameleon. You wanna see what's inside?
What the heck? Hang on to that for me. I got it written down here. What it says.
I was like, I'm not touching it.
He's one of them pranksters.
Like, okay. Did they say if that moss would work?
I don't know. The guy wrote it down.
He's really cute.
Awesome.
Good catch.
I have brothers. Yeah, PetSmart right across the street by Target.
By Target.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's super.
Why did you do that?
Oh, sorry.
Why did you do that?
Oh, sorry.
I just look. Well, now they're laughing. What the heck? Oh, we should have hung out there and like captured the aftermath of it.
That's all he eats is clover.
I don't even really know what that is.
What,
Clover?
2-inch?
No,
Oh.
clover.
It's like what rabbits eat, you know?
Shut up. Why the hell you do that? Am I on camera? Shut up. Why the hell you do that?
Is anybody
it was
here?
good. I want you to do it to everybody now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Who should we get?
I don't know, but...
Do you have anybody like your friends with here that you could? That's what the bit. What about here?
I'm sweating.
What about that?
Sweat. And it's got like, you can look at it. It's got like clover that we need to.
I kind of saw that coming, but...
It's got like clover that we need to.
I was like, you got a snake in the basket?
Yeah.
You got somebody who's not afraid of snakes, so... You said chameleon, and I was like, sweet, lizard. I want to see it.
There's a PetSmart.
Okay.
Next to Target.
Okay,
That'd probably be your best bet.
That should work.
Yeah.
What is
And I
this?
said it in just a 2-inch chameleon.
How do you feel about letting it
I mean, it's only like this big. I'll show it to you.
Why would you do that to me?
So you're not gonna let me leave it?
I'm not letting you leave now. I knew it. I knew it. As soon as I looked over, I was like, no.
There's a snake in there?
Or where? No, it's a little it's
Chameleon.
A chameleon. Should I take it out?
Oh, no, you're fine. I was just teasing.
Oh.
It's your, you said it's your
What? Are you sure?
You
were right, yeah.
snakes.
I just didn't know how it would go. Look at that quick reaction.
Oh man, that thing almost kissed him on the lips. Man.
They see you. I got it.
I was just like, in my head, I was like, man, you might need a box for that or something. I was like,
What'd you think? You like it?
I think like it's a snake or something.
You like that?
Snake, yeah.
Do you say?
Uh-huh.
A ver. Vengan a ver a la de
I
allá.
don't know if I got it on this one very good or not.
Que la grabó?
I have these.
What you got there?
It's just a little 2-inch chameleon thing that came out with.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're pretty cute.
That's a good one. That's a good one. You didn't get me. That was a good one. I like
I didn't want to walk in there and get scissors in your hand.
No, you should have done that. They should not. Hold on, man. I want you to see this. I like that.
See you, dude.
All right, Lucas, here's what you got to do. The flap inside's got to be facing towards the people, okay? And then the lid, of course, can't go on. It gets stuck. You got to bring it back a little bit like this, kind of like it's opening its mouth, okay? That way the lid's go flip back towards you. And make sure you hold it out a little bit. Don't hold it up like this. or it's gonna hit you and just go down. Okay. Good. But you can put it on, but right before we get ready to go, you just.
So this is always the front.
Yeah, that's always the front, and flap always towards them. Okay. And it's on. It's ready to go. Let's go make them laugh. A lot of flapping going on because we're holding it. We usually just set it down. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duct tape it up really good so it doesn't get all over the place.
He's able to trim for the little baby rabbit.
Oh no.
Really?
You're not even allowed to have it in here.
Oh, really?
You can
Yeah, you have to take
That's
off.
smart.
Cute, like a little small, color. Have you ever seen the miniature rabbit?
I want to see it, but I can't cut it.
See?
Trying to get you.
I was.
Oh.
You guys suck. That was the last thing I was expecting. I'm sorry.
Thanks. See you.
Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. I'm done for today.
That scared me.
All you gotta do, little mouse, is hit the subscribe button, like the video,
Yeah, tell your friends.
tell your friends, tell them down here. Hey, man.
Hey, look at these guinea pigs,
Hey,
right?
guinea pigs. If you guys subscribe to this channel, we'll save some guinea pigs. We won't feed the guinea pig to the snake. Don't worry, you won't be any snake food.
Right there.
That's a 2-inch chameleon right
There
there.
he
man.
is. He's bigger than 2 inches.
Yeah, his
Right.
little brother is in our basket. What are you looking at? Why has it got to be 2 inches, huh? Why can't it be 4? What's your problem? You got any worms? You got any crickets? Cricket?
Take it.
Cricket?
That
Alright.
thing's $80.
$80.
Right there.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Just there
Do you work here, sir?
Yeah, man, how can I help you? I got this cute little 2-inch chameleon in here. Just trying to like, he's eating me. We don't want to help you, man.
A chameleon food?
Dude, get it out of here.
Oh no, it isn't. That's the other one.
Put one in my shirt.
It's not in there.
Oh.
There's like 4. Stop. You better, no, you didn't even put them away.
How can I help you?
Just have a little mini rabbit in here, like a miniature rabbit. Is able to like.
You can't do anything with rabbits. I've never seen it.
It just needs its nails trimmed, really.
Yeah, we can't do anything with other than dogs and cats. You? Oh my god. Wow. That was the most terrifying. You got me good.
Oh look, she's putting it back in for us.
You don't know what to do. That's why.
Yeah, I'll let you guys put that back in.
Alright guys, we need to get a brand new camera because Jason broke it. So you gotta go follow him on YouTube, Jason the Great 777, because he needs more subscribers and viewers to pay for the camera. Alright?
Sorry.
Alright everyone, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want us to do more snake videos, let us know. Comment snakes down in the comments. Follow Jason the Great 777 for some magic tricks. Lucas the Great Jr. on TikTok. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified anytime we upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, live inspired, shock the world. See you next time.